The last thing I want to show you is how to use the advanced features within the Coinbase app. Everything I've showed you so far has been through the basic version of the app, which is designed to be very beginner friendly. But if you're looking for more advanced charts and research tools, they have this built right into the app from the default, and all you have to do is enable the setting. If you click on the three lines here in the top left once again, under the trade menu here, you're going to see advanced, and all you have to do is toggle this on. This is going to get you access to a lot more research tools and data, as well as more advanced order types that you wouldn't see in the basic version of the app, and it's going to be popular for those who are looking to do more active trading surrounding cryptocurrencies. In addition, there aren't any extra subscription costs or anything like that to use this section of the app, so it's really cool that they have this built right in, and you can take a look here at different technical indicators and different types of charting, and utilize these features if you're looking to do more advanced trading strategies. And then if you want to get back to the basic version of the app, all you have to do is click on the three lines once again and toggle this off.